sound has come out of his lips that makes them listen silent and subdued. But says Viyogi of this heady mood, it does not last, for long and quickly slips. He knows the world, the truth we do not grasp, and hence he sings for himself, not for us.
He gets 99 out of 100 on performance, maybe a little less than that in terms of his content or the poetry. So performing के लिए आपको जो उसका pronunciation है, तलफ़्फ़ुज़ जिसको कहते हैं, वो भी आपको सीखना होगा. तो आपकी vocabulary
हीरे मेरी जुल्फ़े तेरी मेरे हाथों की ये लकीरें बुनती हैं रंग दलिश्कारा बेबी तेरा जान से प्यारा बेबी जी में चमका दिल साडा दिख गया प्यार ये पटियाल भी
तुम अपना रंजो गम अपनी परेशानी मुझे दे दो तुम अपना रंजो गम अपनी परेशानी मुझे दे दो तुम्हें बोली है महरम मेरी वो सर्दी मुस्काती दुखी जुगादी आंधी ही है आसे ने टकराती जे ओ सच्ची करती मारदारी दोस्ती जे ओ झूठी बनी जंदी बमारी दोस्ती चुल्लियो तू चुल्लियो सपारी दिए डालिए माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आँख से दरिया बहता है तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है
is to be able to choose between color or black and white.
Freedom, be it social or personal, have been common ultimate pursuits throughout history. Dance means freedom to me.
Because I feel that the art of any era is the true history of that era.
अभी शहरों को छोड़ के गांव में जाना बड़ा जरूरी है. बहुत जल्दी उन लोगों को गांव में जल्दी पहुंचना चाहिए क्योंकि गांव में ये जो आग लगी है डोगरी
is when I felt that dance was ballroom dancing was not about holding women. It was not about just dancing away the way we thought it was at parties and nightclubs. It was a lot to do with spirituality.
is the 5th Utsav. The first 4 were held in Jammu in the city of temple bells. Kunwar Viyogi had left behind as a heritage. The Kunwar Viyogi Utsav began, and this is the first Utsav in our country, the first Utsav of India to go live like this online. Alpviram, the pause. So ladies and gentlemen, let's begin this wonderful journey. Let's travel to Jammu, the temple, the bell.
A professionally put together exhibition. I haven't seen in virtual on the virtual space like this in a long time, and I'm really happy to be here. And then I'm happy to inaugurate the festival, the Utsav, because as you rightly said, it's something which will make Jammu proud. It'll make the Dogras proud. It'll make, plus its outreach will actually extend beyond Jammu into the international.
I think indigenous art, indigenous traditional art, and artists from tier 2 cities and tier 3 cities are as enthralling as our big city artists. So first off, if we were to use our prowess to tap into all artists,
स्वागत है।
चन्ने कन्ने सजदी रात चिट चिटैनी छलदी रात चन्ने कन्ने सजदी रात चिट चिटैनी छलदी रात
तब भी केसर से उठता है खुशबू का आभास, अंधकार की सत्ता में भी है सूरज की आस। इंच इंच पर 3 रंग का परचम डोल रहा है, बहुत हो चुका अब न सहेंगे जम्मू बोल रहा है।
Kunwar Viyogi ji, with whom I shared a very cozy and a very warm relationship. He was our friend, our senior, and in a way our Guru Bhai, because we were actually introduced to each other, I think primarily because of our common relationship with Vedpal Deep, in whose genre later on his poetry also got nourished. And I think he was among those handful of original writers in the language of Dogri, which was pioneered by persons like Vedpal Deep. And it's also a very pleasant coincidence that after Dogri having become an official language for the working in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, and thereafter Professor Dhar having very thoughtfully set up a department of Dogri language and the Dogri studies. This is, I think, possibly the first of its kind academic program being held, and that too under the aegis of the University of Jammu.
प्यार करदे ने हथ चेता कर ओ घड़ियां जदों जीव शब्द ने स्पष्ट होती है।
कुंवर वियोगी का ना डोगरी साहित्य च बड़े अदब कन्नै लैता जाता है। अपने जीवन काल च वो केह् सोचते हे, कियां उन्हें छपाना हा अपना सारा मसाला, अपना मसौदा। इसले तक्कर मेरे कोल उंदियां पहलियां 2 किताबां मलाइयै होर भी अजें छपने आह्लियां किश किताबां 12 डोगरी दियां ते 2 अंग्रेजी दियां किताबां छपी चुकी दियां न।
I keenly looked for idyllic solitude and followed trodden paths of every kind. But circumstances joined my attitude, obliterated clues, and made me blind.
This is Rosary of Love Sonnets, a book of sonnets by Viyogi. Author, Kunwar Viyogi.
I happy, happy like a fiddle fit, pirouette and to the beat of pleasure hum, and throw my arms around you to submit to hurting hugs.
गूंडी तेरी रूह ते गूंडे जीने दे संदर शैल पनावे ला ते अपने रंगी लै बख्तर अखीं गी चुंदियाने आली लो दनक लै दे अपनी नेरी जिंदगी लट लट बलदा कर।
तुसें सभनें गी नमें साल दियां मुबारखां। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। इस साल सभनें आस्ते खुशियां ते भरपूर सेहत तंदरुस्ती लेइयै आए। धन्नवाद।